Hi, I'm Scott Noonan, CEO of Audio Advice. Today we're going to walk you through a brand new modern home we've just finished up. Let's take a look. So one of the things I want to show you is how we perfectly matched up hem bar alignment on these Lutron shades, but we also, you'll see, this is one of the doors where it totally opens to the outside from the kitchen, but we use laser alignment to match up between every shade in the mullion. So you can actually push all these doors wide open and walk outside, and when they come down, we're actually blocking the light, totally coming through, matched up literally window by window. We've used a mixture of light layers in this particular room where we've got indirect lighting coming off of the ceiling. We've got 4-inch traditional task lighting in here. We've actually matched the speakers to be 4 inches so they match perfectly with the lights themselves. And then specialty accent lighting coming down here right in the center of the room. So in this bedroom, we've done massive shades. These things are over 12 feet by 6 feet, 4 of them, and they completely black out the room at night. So one of the coolest things in this home is that we hid the television actually in the floor of the yoga room. The craftsmen on our team and with the builder were just fabulous in terms of nailing this, and it can actually tilt left and right as well. So the lighting work we did on this stone wall is just incredible. We actually are using really high illumination lights and running them straight down the wall. And we've actually angled them slightly in to create the textured look that you see. So we've actually got a keypad at the gate that allows direct communication to the house over fiber optics, as well as cameras hidden throughout with full pin tilt zoom capability. You notice the house is actually curved on the outside. We've got beautiful LEDs that light up the back porch area and the pool, as well as high performance outdoor speakers and an outdoor Wi-Fi access point that provides Wi-Fi to the entire outdoor area. To see more smart home videos, buyer's guides, and inspiration gallery, or to learn all things smart home, go to audioadvice.com, or if you live in the Carolinas, give us a call or stop by one of our super showrooms.